about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Well, hello guys, and welcome back. I have the greatest little Zgallery dupe for you guys. Now, if you guys are into some of the glam or have ever heard of Zgallery, they are very well known for all of their glam decor. And I have to say, like, I love shopping at Zgallery, but they can be pretty expensive sometimes. So I took upon myself to recreate 3 projects from Zgallery so that you can do yourself at home. Now, I have to let you know that the one with the pillars with the sticks, that was one of the more complicated ones for me to do, because for the simple fact that it kept falling apart and I wasn't sure how to space it. So once I figured it out, it came out beautifully. And through each project, I'm going to be listing the items that you need, the name of the items that I duped or recreated, and then the price that I paid versus the price that you'll be paying at Zgallery. So I was trying to search, and a couple of people have done a couple of different things from Zgallery, so I just wanted to solely just focus on Zgallery. Not that I'm trying to, stop them from making their money or anything like that, but if we can save a little money by taking the time and effort and doing it ourselves, that's the pleasure that I get, because I always promise on this channel that you will get high-end, but you're gonna get it affordably. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. And I'm so glad that I was able to take the time to do this video today, because I've had a bit of a week. So I will kind of share with you in my Instagram what my new daily routines are, because it's quite different and a little harder for me to isolate myself to focus on doing some of these projects for you. But if you continue to watch my channel, you will see that I am dedicated to you guys and all the home decor at an affordable price. So if you don't know, now you know. So I'm gonna make my little intros not too long, because I do get a couple of people that says my intro is way too long. So I'll just jump right into it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that link down there and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so that way you are notified every time I have a new video. I also have my website where I'm now going to be making items that you can purchase from my store, and I will be making them all in front of the camera, so that way if you wanted to recreate them yourself, you can, but if you don't, then they are going to be available for purchase. So my website, guys, is www.howtowithmillusions.org. Scroll over there, see what you like. Have any questions, hit me up on the comments. You can email me. You can go to my social media. As I stated before, I am on Instagram. Yes, I am on Instagram. I'm also on Facebook. I am on Pinterest. I am also on Twitter, even though I don't do anything there. But go ahead and look for me at How To With Millusions. I love you guys, and I hope that you will be able to recreate these projects with me and save a little money in your pocket for some nicer weather, for some more clothing, who knows what. Adios. Bye, guys.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no call. away with me. It'd be worth the time. Run away with me. I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart. I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Run away with me, come home with me tonight. with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart. I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. I know we've been through a